Fasting is the practice of abstaining from food or drink for a certain period of time. It is a common practice in many cultures and religions, and has been shown to have a variety of health benefits. Here are 10 of the top benefits of fasting, with detailed explanations of each. Weight loss. Fasting can help to reduce body weight and body fat, as it encourages the body to burn stored fat for energy. When you fast, your body's insulin levels decrease, which allows it to use stored fat for energy instead of glucose from food. This can lead to significant weight loss over time. In fact, one study found that people who fasted for 12 to 24 hours lost an average of 0.5 to 1.3 kilograms, 1 to 3 pounds, per day. Improved insulin sensitivity. Fasting can improve insulin sensitivity, which can help to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Insulin is a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels, and insulin resistance is a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. Fasting has been shown to reduce insulin resistance, which can help to prevent or even reverse the development of diabetes. Reduced inflammation. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, which is associated with a variety of chronic diseases. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune disorders. Fasting has been shown to reduce the production of inflammatory markers in the body, which can help to reduce the risk of these diseases. Improved heart health. Fasting has been shown to improve a variety of risk factors for heart disease, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. High blood pressure, high cholesterol, and high triglycerides are all risk factors for heart disease, and fasting has been shown to improve these markers in the body. In fact, one study found that fasting for just 24 hours can lead to a 14% decrease in LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and a 25% decrease in triglycerides. Improved brain function. Fasting has been shown to improve cognitive function and protect against age-related cognitive decline. Fasting has been shown to increase the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is a protein that promotes the growth and survival of brain cells. This can lead to improved memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Increased longevity. Fasting has been shown to increase lifespan in animals, and may have similar effects in humans. Fasting has been shown to activate a variety of cellular pathways that promote longevity and protect against age-related diseases. For example, fasting has been shown to increase the production of sirtuins, which are proteins that regulate gene expression and are involved in cellular repair and longevity. Improved immune function. Fasting has been shown to improve immune function and increase resistance to infections. Fasting has been shown to increase the